Thank you for stopping by Ballistic BBQ. On today's video, we are going to be doing the Triple Slam Bacon Cheeseburger. Let's get going. Not long ago, I did a copycat of a folded cheeseburger. That's where the inspiration for this came up. The cook in that video, the chef who designed this burger, he actually used a tortilla press to press out his patties, and I really liked the result of that, so playing around with it a little bit. So I have here my tortilla press. I have some parchment paper on. There's 4 ounces of 80/20 ground chuck. There you go. See? Pretty darn cool. Let's get these other 2 patties done. This is going to be a triple patty, as the title implies. Okay, I'm going to set the patties off to the side for now. They're going to cook very quickly. In the meantime, we're going to toast some buns and cook some bacon. So I have here some onion rolls. I want to get a little char around the edge and just get a light toast in the middle. There we go. Some bacon down. Some thinly sliced sweet onion. Bacon's done. Onion is done. Let's get these patties slammed down on the flat top here. A little kosher salt, fresh ground pepper, some Gouda. Smoked cheddar, Munster, patty down, that patty with the Munster, smoked cheddar, those onions. Get that bacon down. For this burger, I made a very simple burger sauce. Basically, it was 1/4 cup mayo, 1 tablespoon horseradish, 1 teaspoon of steak sauce, A1 steak sauce, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and about 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. I'll post the recipe down below. But it's really, really good. There we go. So this is a pretty darn cool looking burger, if I don't say so myself. But the thing I really love about this technique, I'm really looking forward to this, the different layers, is the crispy patties. They're just, it's just, you're eating crust. It's awesome. Let's give this a go. I mean, that looks really, really cool. Those nice thin layers. So this is really unlike any conventional burger I've ever had. There's just, first of all, it's hot. I mean, these burgers are so thin and they cook up so quickly that they're hot. I mean, it's piping hot. But the other nice thing is and you wouldn't expect this, is they're very, very juicy. I mean, 80/20, you have to go with at least 80/20. But all that caramelized hamburger in your mouth is just, it's almost overwhelming, but in a good way. The onions, I mean, they add to it. And again, that crispy, salty bacon, good call. I like the sauce. The other thing is and the rolls. It's funny because initially I was just going to go with a traditional sesame seed roll, but then I saw these and I thought, yeah, this will go great, especially with that sauce. But you know, as you're lifting it up to your mouth, you're smelling the onion on the roll, and it's actually it's a cool thing. I like it. So this is just one more example of a really killer technique that I picked up because of my copycat recipes. And I'm hoping that you guys will kind of do the same with my channel, with my burger series. You see a technique that I'm using that you like, whether it's my own or one that I'm ripping off of someone else, make it your own. That's what I did with this burger. I made it my own. This is my own burger and I'm digging on it. Let's see here, it's time for a cheers. And I had a request in my last video, hey, you don't tell us what you're drinking anymore, so I'll let you guys know. This is North Coast Brewing Company. This is Scrimshaw, and it's a Pilsner style beer, and it's really good. I've already had a couple sips. Anyway, guys, keep those suggestions coming in. Sub if you haven't, and hit the notification bell if you haven't. I'm getting a lot of people saying they're not getting notified. You have to hit that bell or you're not going to get notified. Anyway, I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.